Hi, and welcome back. So at this point, we've migrated our organization over to the new workplace, and we're going to start to uh, invite users to the workplace. Now, when that migration happens, invites are triggered to the users to create their accounts. So what needs to happen is the user will receive an email like what you see on the right-hand side screen here. So just to explain, on the left-hand side, I'm logged in as an admin to our new migrated workplace. And on the right-hand side, I'm logged into a user's email account that I've invited to the workplace. And during this exercise, we're just going to talk about how a user would join through the invite. All right. So the user receives this email, and what I want to point out about this email is sometimes this email can go to the junk folder. Okay. So it's very important that if you don't get the invite email, check your junk folder. You can also check your inbox for no reply at workplace.biamp.app. Okay. You can actually search that, and it's often that this email pops up. So the user gets this email to be invited to the organization. They have one option, and that is this join button. So let's go ahead and press the join button here. And this is going to bring us to a page where it says, hey, enter your login data. But it's important to note that at this step, we don't have a user just yet, or we're assuming that the person we're inviting does not have a workplace account. So what they're going to need to do is they're going to need to navigate here to where it says new user, register here. To keep up with the theme of the exercise, we've been using Microsoft Single Sign-On. So we're going to continue to use Microsoft here, and we're gonna register with our Microsoft credentials. All right. So I'm logged in as Michael at demo.evoko.se. I'm actually going to authenticate as that user because that is the mailbox that I want to sign up with. Let me open up my authenticator. And that was 82. I'm going to stay signed in. So Microsoft external user not found. This is great. Do you want to link your user or auto register a new one? I'm going to auto register a new one, and this is going to be this, and then English. I'm going to accept the terms of conditions, and I'm going to accept the privacy policy, and I'm going to go ahead and do register. Now, at this point, it's asking me if I want to set up two-factor. For this exercise, I'm not going to. I'm going to go ahead and push the skip button. But it looks like an email should have been sent to this email address with a code. So let's go take a look at this email. And what I might want to do is I might want to go down to junk, and I might want to... yeah, okay. So it's important, guys. It's important to check the junk email folder. I'm copying the code here because it looks like some policies may. Now my email is verified. Great. So I'm just going to press next. What I want to note there is check your junk folder. Okay. So if you're not getting the code and you're not getting the link, it's important to check the junk folder. So I'm going to go ahead and press next. And look, I got a couple invites already. Cool. So here's that migrated organization. I'm going to go ahead and press the accept option. Invite accepted. That's great. So now at this point, because I'm through a web browser, I should be able to navigate over to the Evoko Workplace application, and I should be able to sign in with the new credentials. So I encourage all of you to do that and to log in. Thanks. Bye.